Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder. We're going to do some F1. Yes, Formula 1 and Senna Lotus Renault stage 72 is what we're starting with. And we've got these little parts that you can almost see. We've got these parts at the ready. This is what we're starting with, and we've got some more parts at the ready on the side here. 72, 73 and 4 are ready as well, and we've got the car at the ready. So let's get straight into it and start this beautiful build. So these are the parts that we have. I've got a sprue cutter at the ready and that at the ready. So let's get to that. Always cut with the sharp edges to the part and not the rounded edges. That just, at least that's what I do. And we're going to put them on those two. That's why I had the tweezers at the ready. So we have them together, but I just want to make sure that they stay in properly. So we've got this together, as you can see right there. Now we're going to put it onto the car. Right. Right there. Let's put those screws on first. DPs. And then we can connect all the hoses to them. All right, we've got those two hoses, and we've got the ones are here. These we are going to connect to the red ones, and these we are going to connect to the black ones. So let's do that and see if we get that together in one go. Do make sure you hold it when you push the hoses on, because otherwise you push them out again. These are pretty okay. I thought they would be hard because there's quite a lot of paint around it. Taking in consideration the thickness of the hose and so on, and the paint all together. So that's a stage 72 done. We're going to stage 73. We did get that in and a lot of little screws, but we didn't use them yet. This is stage 73. All right, we're getting the car straight back. All right, we've got that. Have a look at how that is, and then we're going to put that in behind that little edge that is there, and it comes together properly. And we put two EMs over that, and we are going to get the oil out to dip the tip of that screw in a little bit of oil. And as you can see, one here, one there, EM, sorry. There we go. Then we're going to put that to the side a little bit and see what we do here. Yep. We need to put it on like, well, let's use the top camera here. Put it on like so that the holes in this four corners match up together. And that's where we get that little tiny screwdriver out. Is this one good enough? No, it's smaller. That must be a 000 screwdriver. Well, you don't want to put too big of a screw on something as tiny as this. And one more of those tiny screws in this corner. Make sure you get the orientation properly. And that is what we have. Oh my goodness. That is going to be something to put together. Yep, some more of those tiny screws. And now I understand why that screwdriver is short as well. Oh, now comes the hardest part, because I have to put two screws into that point there, and I think we have to do that like so. This ain't easy, guys. Oh, it's going in now. Don't think you can see it, can you? No, I'm working right there, but it's really hard to do. As you can see right there, that little thing is in. Wow. Right there. Is number 74 with these 3 parts. So we're putting that one, have a look at that orientation, over to that one. And most probably that one over that one. Yep, and then to EPs. EP there and there. So not all of them, guys. So as you can see, we've just put them in right on these points. And we that's a bit weird. Next picture shows that you're putting EPs in the other parts as well. And the last one to go in. All right. Oh, okay. You push those onto the points, a point there and right here. And then that is the last bit in this stage and the last bit in this video. And I'm missing, I must have taken that off then. That's the car as it is now. That was it, guys. Thank you very much for joining me again. We've been working on this whole area, as you can see right there. And that car is coming together quite nicely. Hope you will join me next time, and please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me there and have a look at my channel, have a look at what I have in the background and I'm building, and have a look at the playlists I have that are fully completed. Some really nice ones there. Thank you very much. See you next time.